Hey guys, what's up? So we beat Metal Gear Solid. We beat Metal Gear 2. Now we're on we beat Metal Gear Solid. Now we're on Metal Gear Solid 2. This game is awesome in its own respect. Not as good as the original, but it's damn good. And this is an HD version of it, so it should be pretty fucking awesome. So let's watch it. I think Bluepoint did the HD stuff for this. This is the theme song for pretty much every Metal Gear Solid song or Solid game from here on. Fuck yeah. Hell yeah. So I actually beat this game already. As you can see, normally you don't see that blue face. So I'm gonna see if it shows any other videos beforehand. So we are gonna play through it again though. We're gonna play it on normal mode again. Yeah. Okay, it just starts over. I think. Let's find out. I'm pretty sure it just starts over again. Okay, yeah. We don't need to see that. See, that's what you would normally see. You would see Snake's face. You don't see his face. So we're gonna play a new game, even though I beat this game already. So you can play either the tanker or the plant. You'll understand that more if you haven't played the game. You'll understand this more as I play through. We're gonna play both the tanker and the plant because the tanker part is really fucking small. The plant is most of the game. So that's the basic difference. But you'll see more as we go on. European Extreme game ends when being seen by. Oh god, that's so fucking crazy. We're not gonna play European Extreme. That's fucking crazy. I bet someone has beat the game in here. I bet a lot of people have beaten European Extreme. We're just gonna play normal. Like, we're gonna do the normal radar setting, which is radar type 2. So 2001 dog tags. Let's do 2001. I can't remember the difference between these dog tags. Let's do 2001 dog tags. I can't remember the difference. So this is awesome. Now they add this in all the games. So.
The Hudson River, 2 years ago. We had classified intelligence that a new type of Metal Gear was scheduled for transport. The whole thing stank, but our noses had been out in the cold too long.
He's right on schedule. He'll know soon enough.
Yeah. This game is awesome.
This is Snake. Do you read me, Otacon?
Loud and clear, Snake.
Kept you waiting, huh? I'm at the sneak point.
Everything going okay?
The stealth camo's busted. Landing impact.
We must have overused it. Sorry, but you're gonna have to deal with it. You're not in the military anymore.
Right. I didn't plan on relying on this gadget anyway.
The private sector's not so bad, is it? Privacy guaranteed.
I'm happy as long as no one gives me any more unwanted gifts.
You mean that thing with Naomi?
And I can't say I miss the chattering nanny.
Mei Ling's not so bad. That reminds me, I have to get in touch with her again about that new Natick flashware.
Diverting toys from the SSCEN again? But give her a message from me. Someone will find out, sooner or later. She's better off assuming it sooner and quit while she's safe.
Too true. Okay, Snake, let's get to work. You know how the technical specs of Metal Gear were sold on the black market after Shadow Moses?
All Ocelot's doing.
Exactly. And now every state, group, and .com has its own version of Metal Gear.
Not exactly a classified weapon for today's nuclear powers.
This new one seems to have been designed to wipe the floor with all the other models. The only consistent description is that it's an amphibious, anti-Metal Gear vehicle.
That explains why this one is under Marine Corps jurisdiction.
It is good to
The
have
mission
that.
objective is to make visual confirmation of the new Metal Gear being transported by that tanker and bring back photographic evidence. But I want you first to go up to the top level of the infrastructure, to the bridge. We need to find out where the tanker is headed.
A little reconnaissance, huh?
There's too much we don't know about this new prototype. Capabilities, deployment method. We don't even know how close it is to completion. If we know where the testing arena is, I can start to draw some reasonable conclusions.
All right, I'll head to the bridge ASAP.
Try to avoid confrontations. Our goal is to collect evidence on Metal Gear development and expose it to the world. It would be best if you could get out of there without alerting anyone.
Don't worry, I know the drill. We're not terrorists.
Very good. Don't you forget that you're part of Philanthropy now, an anti-Metal Gear organization and officially recognized by the UN.
Recognized, but still fringe, Otacon.
All right, let's look at your gear. Your weapon is a tranquilizer gun converted from a Beretta M92F.
M9.
It's a little hard to work with because you have to reload after each shot since the slide locks.
Better than scavenging at the mission site. Good suppressor, too.
The chemical stun will take effect in a few seconds and last for hours. You can take down an elephant with that thing. Check out the laser sighting, too. The effects of the anesthetic round will vary depending on what part of the body is hit. We're talking about a difference of tens of seconds between hitting limbs, chest, or head. As for the equipment... Hey, Snake! Cigarettes? What's wrong with you?
It's kind of a lucky charm.
You haven't read the Surgeon General's warning, have you? Here's the digital camera. Works almost the same way as your old one.
You actually use the camera in this game for the mission.
They don't look armed.
Hey, Earth to Snake. These are nice, upstanding Marines, not terrorists. Don't get caught. You're in stealth mode here.
Sure, and if it comes to that, a little beauty sleep never hurt anyone. By the way, Otacon, are you sure of this intelligence?
Absolutely. Hacked it out of the Pentagon's classified files myself.
No traces?
Oh, please, I'm too good for that.
But this might be a trap. Remember, there's a price on our heads.
You're just being paranoid.
I hope so. Those men, you wouldn't think they were anything but civilians from here.
With all the ships passing on the river and in the harbor, putting uniformed Marines on the deck would be a bad idea. People can get a clear view of the water from Riverside, too.
The water line is too high. According to the navigational plans, this ship should have discharged its cargo upriver.
It's in there, no doubt about it.
The military trains you to watch for threats from the stern on a boat. That's SOP for counter-terror ops, too. Security should be tighter.
You worry too much.
Where's the target?
Satellite surveillance is a major international pastime these days. I'd say the cargo holds, safely below the deck. Do you see the entrance to the holds?
Looks like there are a few entryways into the crew quarters. The chopper.
Whoa.
Looks like we're not the only ones after Metal Gear tonight.
Is that a chopper I just heard?
Affirmative. Probably another cavalry. What's their game? Hijack?
They're probably targeting the ship's controls.
Otacon, how many men do you need to take over a tanker of this size?
The ship is run by a computer, so I'd say about 18 people.
AKS-74U. Russians?
You sure?
No Marine barber touched that head of hair. I'm transmitting a photo. Let's get an ID on him ASAP.
I'm on it.
Sorry.
Looks like the tanker's theirs now. KA-60 Kasatka.
Kasatka? Kamov chopper, right? Killer whale.
We need to get a fix on who they are.
Judging by their transport, aren't they some kind of military commandos?
Not necessarily. It could be the KA-62, the civil model.
Look, Snake, all we need is the photographic evidence of Metal Gear. As long as we have those, we can put it online and blow the whole thing wide open. So no pyrotechnics, okay?
All right. I'll do my best.
This isn't like Shadow Moses. Reach me if anything happens. The frequency's 141.12.
How can I check in and save my progress?
I'll do it. There's a frequency set aside for it. 140.96. Sorry, but no Mei Ling this time. Call me on the codec when you want to save.
Got it.
I'll be waiting just past the Verrazano Bridge. You need to be off that ship by then.
I'll be in touch.
Do you want to save, Snake? Oh, you're not going to save. Well, okay. Just let me know when you need to.
Okay, they changed it. So now you use X instead of, O.
Time to save?
Time to save motherfucker. Okay, so yeah, you can see all the times I played. And this one is when I beat the game, so. So I'm gonna put a new save data. I'll be able to know which one it is because it's the only one in 2015, so.
Okay. See you, Snake.
Let's see what else we have to do.
Snake, switch to first-person view and look at the upper decks. See the sentries? Take them out in first-person view before they see you. Change to first-person view with a weapon selected. Once you aim your weapon with the weapon button, you're ready to attack in first-person view. Using the first-person attack allows you to shoot high or low. You can aim for the enemy's head or even feet. The L2 and R2 buttons let you strafe during first-person attacks. You can crouch, too, with the crawl button. Once you've mastered all the moves, you'll be able to do things like jump out from concealment, fire at a target, and then drop out of the enemy's view again.
Okay. So basically he's saying like this. Oh. So yeah, that's what it is. just starting with the crank. If you don't shoot him directly in the head, it doesn't. Oh, it worked. Okay, yeah. It takes a while. He does a roundhouse kick now. Oh, fuck. Come on, pop your head out, fool. I'll shoot you in the face. You can also pick guys up. How do you do it? Oh yeah. If you do this enough times, they'll drop an item. Let's see if they drop another item. Oh, well, I think they only do one item. What's the bandage for there? Oh yeah, when you touch it. They made a lot of
Snake, go through that door into the ship's interior. Push the action button down in front of the door and wait until the door opens before letting go. If you need to open the door faster, hit the action button repeatedly while you turn the handle. Make sure you keep doing it until the door's open.
Nope, nothing over here. I just want to get all the items before I go in. Yay, more bullets. Oh yeah, you can also do this, which is really cool. When you're running, you hit X and then you can do a barrel roll with it. Nope. Right in your face, dude. Come on, drop something, asshole. There you go, another item. I'll take that. What else is there? Ooh, another bandage. Oh, I need to go down and get that face bandage. I like how he walks slower, but I want to step on the face. Oh, and he did. What did that do again? Yeah, it's a muscle reaction. Relaxant. In this game, you can use it for aiming any gun, not just the sniper rifle, which is pretty cool. Okay, I think. Oh, I did get that. can't remember how do you go over it. Oh yeah, it's fine. Nice! I got Jason. Oh yeah, your action button is triangle in this one.
Snake, it looks like that door can't be opened from the deck. You can infiltrate the ship through other doors.
Yay! They have it in Japanese too, although I can't read most kanji, so I have no idea what it says. Also, in this game, you want to get used to hiding. I don't know why they needed to accent Snake's butt. Oh yeah, you can go upstairs to that one. Oh yeah, that's where. Let's go. Oh yeah, this is one thing I really love. Watch this. Yeah, I don't have to. But anyways, this is awesome. Watch this. You just put him in a locker. I love that. That is the coolest thing they've added. Okay, so I should have got it. So let's go in the other room on this floor. Oh yeah, you have to enter. Oh, that's yeah, I can read Japanese now. I'm not good with katakana though, so. Better with hiragana, but they don't use hiragana so much. So. Oh shit. Oh yeah, that's true. Throw your ass over here. Yay! Oh yeah, oh, okay. I have a lot of M9 bullets. Well, actually, I can only carry some.